Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, I will show you the 5th sample video for Celpip listening to problem solving task. If you want to see all of the Celpip tutorials, then you can search on YouTube by writing Celpip Store. You will find all the other tutorial series here. Listening part is having 6 practice tests and 1 practice task as well. Total time allocated with the listening section is 50 minutes. Please keep in mind that question will be played only once in the actual Celpip test. Now, let's start with Celpip listening to problem solving task. You will hear 3 conversations in this part. Each conversation will be followed by 2 to 3 questions. There are total 8 questions in this section. The first conversation is of around 1 to 1.5 minutes, followed by 3 questions. Generally, the first question is to select a picture of the place where a person is looking to reach, and you are given 30 seconds to select the right or relevant picture. Similarly, 2 more conversations of around 1.5 minutes followed by questions are presented, and again you are given 30 seconds for each question. Let's take an example now. Please listen to the audio very carefully.
Excuse me, can you tell me how do I reach Bookstore from here?
I am sorry, I am new here. But I can tell you the way to the public library. I went the last Monday.
Oh, thank you so much. I may get the way for a bookstore there. How far is it?
It is about a mile from here.
Okay, can you tell me the way to the library?
Go straight and turn right after school. Take this road. Go past the car park and you'll find the library.
Thanks.
Let's start with our first question. Our first question is
Question 1.
Where the man wants to go.
Now we have 4 options. As discussed earlier, options in the first question will be in the form on images. So in the question we have 4 images. Option 1 is gym, option 2 is hotel, option 3 is bookstore, and option 4 is swimming pool. According to the audio, we can listen very clearly that the man wanted to a bookstore. So that's why option 3 is the correct option, that is bookstore. Let's move to our next question. Here is our question 2. Our question 2 is
Question 2.
What best describes about the woman's intentions?
Now we have 4 options on the right-hand side. Option 1, she isn't interested in helping. Option 2, she makes a guess. Option 3 is, she is also new to that place, and option 4 is, she showed the right path. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the woman showed the way to the public library instead of bookstore to man because she was new to that place and was not aware about the bookstore. So accordingly, option number 3 is the correct option, that is, she is also new to that place. Now, let's go to the next question. Our next 3rd question is
Question 3.
Was the man going to the bookstore?
Here are our 4 options. Option 1, no, he was going to the library. Option 2, no, he was going to the school. Option 3 is, no, he was going to the gas station. And option 4 is, yes, he was going to the bookstore. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the man was going to the bookstore. That's why 4th option is the correct option. That is, yes, he was going to the bookstore. As discussed earlier, after completing first 3 questions, you will listen second audio. Let's listen to the second audio.
Hello ma'am, I am new to this place. Can you guide me, please?
Hello sir. Tell me, how may I help you?
I really want to purchase some books and some stationery. Can you guide me where I can find these things?
Keep going down this street, then turn left onto Mayfair Street, and it will be left around the corner from the petrol station.
Oh, thank you. I really want to get some books and stationery.
You can read books in the library also. All you need is to get register yourself in the library and you will get books for a month to read, and then you have to return back.
Yes, I would register myself soon, but I need books urgently. Anyways, thanks for your help.
Now move to the 4th question. Our 4th question is
Question 4.
How did the man met the woman?
Here we have 4 options. Option 1 is, in the library. Option 2 is, on the way to the library. Option 3 is, in the bookstore. And option 4 is, on the street. We can listen very clearly in the audio that man met woman while finding the way to the library. So that's why, second option is the correct option. That is on the way to the library. Let's see our 5th question. Our 5th question is,
Question 5.
Which statement is correct?
now we have 4 options. Option 1 is, he got the books from library. Option 2 is, the child gave the books to the man. Option 3 is, the child helped him reach the library. And option 4 is, he needs books urgently. In the audio, we can listen very clearly that man needed books urgently. So accordingly, option 4 is the correct option. That is, he needs books urgently. Let's move to our 6th question. Our 6th question is,
Question 6.
How the woman helped the man to reach the bookstore?
we have 4 options. Option 1 is, he asked the women about the bookstore. Option 2 is, the child in the library helped him to reach the bookstore. Option 3 is, he walked around to find the bookstore. And option 4 is, he saw maps in the library. We can listen very clearly that man wanted to buy some books and stationery urgently, so that's why he was looking for some bookstore. As man was not aware about the way to the bookstore, that's why he asked the woman about the way to the bookstore. So accordingly, first option is the correct option. That is, he asked the women about the bookstore. Now after completing total 6 questions, you will listen to the 3rd audio. After completing 3rd audio, you will listen next 2 questions.
How may I help you, sir?
I have a list of some books and few items of stationery. Can you please get me these items?
I am glad to help you, sir, but I am sorry to inform you that this is a bookstore. You can purchase only books. We do not keep stationery in this bookstore.
Oh no, I am in the need of those stationery items. So, can you tell me from where do I get stationery items?
No problem. I will guide you the way to the stationery shop.
So where should I go?
Okay, first go to the bus stop, then take right from the traffic lights, and then you will see the cafe, and the stationery shop is kitty corner to the cafe.
Thank you so much for your help.
Now, let's go to the next question. Our 7th question is,
Question 7.
Do the man got what he wants?
here is our 4 options. Option 1, no, he got just books. Option 2, no, he got only stationery. Option 3 is, no, he has to go to the stationery shop. And option 4 is, yes, he got all his stuff. We can listen very clearly in the audio that man didn't got the stationery, so he has to go to the stationery shop. So accordingly, option 3 is the correct option. That is, no, he has to go to the stationery shop. Let's move to the last question. That is question 8. Here is our question 8.
Question 8.
Where is the stationery shop?
We have 4 options now. Option 1, it is opposite the cafe. Option 2, it is behind the cafe. Option 3 is, it is the left of the cafe. And option 4 is, it is the diagonally opposite the cafe. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the stationery shop was located at the diagonally opposite position the cafe. So accordingly, 4th option is the correct option. That is, it is the diagonally opposite the cafe. So, friends, I think this tutorial will give you some idea about how to choose the right option in Celpip listening to problem-solving task. Please register on Celpip Store to experience the real-time based practice platform. Link to join the platform is mentioned in the below description. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel before completing this video. Thanks for spending time with us.